What's up everyone? Thanks so much for watching. Today we are going to be taking out the 1.5 for some photography. I don't know if you would consider this street photography or not since we're not on the street. You get what I'm saying. But we are going to a really nice park in this region somewhere over here. But yes, my GoPro died kind of in the middle of recording, so I lost a lot of footage of me taking the photos. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to overlay a lot of the shots that I took while the GoPro was dead. I completely didn't realize it. That sucks, but yes, without further ado, let us get right into it. Starting right off in a beautiful field of flowers. I think all of those people, look at all those people that were just like right behind us. Oh, it's the photo group. Guys, there's like a huge group of photographers that have been following us everywhere. Should we take a flower? Get a dead one, right? I wonder what the 85 will be like. They're moving so fast. Here we go, let's see. It's pretty sharp. Why don't we'll get the trio. I want to get a picture of all the photographers. It's a mountain up here. Ishi no kao. Kao no ishi. どっちかな? Do you say? 石の顔だと思ったけど。でもいいけど。That was loud. Yeah, I think we're losing the sky no matter what here. Yeah, one thing I really don't like is how, when I switch back to 24 now, the ISO stays at 32, which was the 85's lowest ISO, but I wish it would go back to what it originally was. That's really annoying. Man, I can't even see my screen. The sun is just blinding. Ooh, look at this though. little hazy looking. Oh no, there's a plane right there. I missed it. That's sad. It's pretty centered. But I want something more interesting. This is the mountain?
Yes. A little mountain.
Alright, we've made it to the mountain that was written on the signs. This is it. Oh my gosh, I just scaled the tallest mountain here. Yeah, we did it. It's about like 2 meters maybe. 5 meters. 書いてあった。Wow, this is amazing. Here, I've got an idea. What if we get these people right here? Oh, that could be nice. Alright, you know what? Maybe I'll switch to auto mode for a bit, see what we get with that. Here, we'll shoot this little leaf thing real quick, so we can get a look at that that natural depth of field separation and stuff. I like this light too. Oh yeah, this is pretty. This is pretty. We'll see how auto handles this. That way I don't have to worry about settings myself. It's easier that way. But yeah, I was shooting out on Halloween and there were just so many people. I'm still just like socially drained. Oh man, how sad would it be if I like dropped my phone perfectly in there? That'd be unlucky. Yeah, I'm actually gonna get closer to these benches. I really like this. I like that spot. Yeah, that's nice. Maybe we can get even closer. Maybe we'll do another one. Nah. Okay, well, it looks like it's so hot today that my GoPro overheated at some point and I didn't even realize it. So we're just gonna find out where it overheated and overlay all of the pictures that I took. So that's unfortunate. Why the hell is it this hot in November? I don't understand. But all right, here we go, back at it, I guess. That's really annoying. We saw lots of cool places and I don't know if it died before then or not. I think the area that I'm in has like several different, it's supposed to be mimicking different cities. Where is this? Oh, Morocco. Oh my gosh, it's a dinosaur. Whoa! Let me quit. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is a strange looking place. And I'm pretty sad about the GoPro dying earlier. I like these clouds way in the distance. Ooh, did we get that bird too? There we go. I like that. All right, well, sorry that the GoPro died throughout part of that. Probably died throughout the best part, of course, but I will overlay the photos at the end. And yeah, thanks for watching and have a great day, week, month, year, all of it.